Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn the part 2 of 12 shocking country idioms. Number 1. Russian roulette. It means a risky action with unpredictable, dangerous outcomes. Example: quitting without savings is like playing Russian roulette. Number 2. Mexican standoff. It means a tense situation where no one can win or back down. Example: the argument became a Mexican standoff with both sides refusing to compromise. Number 3. Dutch courage. It means boldness gained from drinking alcohol. Example: he needed some Dutch courage before the big speech. Number 4. Irish goodbye. It means leaving a party or event without saying goodbye. Example: she made an Irish goodbye and slipped out the back door. Number 5. Flying Dutchman. It means a legendary ghost ship or someone elusive and always moving. Example: he's become a flying Dutchman, never staying in one place long. Number 6. Greek gift. It means a gift that appears generous but has harmful intentions. Example: their so-called help felt like a Greek gift with hidden strings attached. Number 7. Turkish Delight. It means something unexpectedly pleasurable or deceptively appealing. Example: the surprise vacation was pure Turkish delight. Number 8. Spanish Inquisition. It means a very intense or harsh questioning. Example: my parents gave me the Spanish Inquisition about where I'd been all night. Number 9. China syndrome. It means a dangerous situation that worsens uncontrollably. Example: the small error triggered a China syndrome in the project. Number 10. Italian job. It means a clever, well-planned, and complex operation. Example: organizing the surprise party was a real Italian job. Number 11. The luck of the Irish. It means unexpected good luck or being very fortunate. Example: I found my lost wallet on the bus this morning. I must have the luck of the Irish. Number 12. Mexican wave. It means a crowd effect where sections stand and sit in sequence to create a wave. Example: the stadium fans started a Mexican wave during the match. Wow, part 2 was intense. Mexican standoff, China syndrome, and all the rest. You're now armed with 24 country idioms total. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane for more idiom series.